today I have some mystery box openings. All of these are from Tesco or Poundland, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 8 boxes to open. I'm going to start off with this one, which is a My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew. It looks like this releases confetti, so I might regret this. Okay, so you open that bit. I think you then are meant to like pull the string. That does release confetti. How am I meant to open this beyond this point? This is fun. So there is literally confetti like spilling out onto me right now, like from here. I'm gonna tip this into a box. This is kind of annoying. Wait, how am I meant to get this out? Okay, so confetti just went everywhere. And now we've got the things that were inside. This better be worth. This better be worth. Okay, so my dress is like covered in confetti after that. Would not recommend if you want to keep yourself nice and tidy. So inside we had these. I knocked my camera. There's even confetti in the paper. This is ridiculous. Oh, these are cute though. So this is like the collecting sheet. There's 24 to collect. And they're all different ponies doing different things. So there's glittery, shiny, metallic, sparkly, and colourful. I'm kind of hoping I get rarity. I'm not the biggest pony fan, but I have watched all of the first 3 seasons of Friendship is Magic. Oh, I got Twilight Sparkle! Oh, she's cute. It's this little... It's the Merpony one, which is different, and she goes in a little cake. Does she go in the cake? No, on the thing she goes next to the cake. So this is one of these sparkly ones, so she's got glitter in her mane and tail. And she goes like with her cake. I'm gonna put it in the cake. That's cute. That's really cute. I'm gonna pop that up here for now. We'll put this somewhere. There is a good place for now. I think next I'm going to do one of these. I've had these so many times because they're always in Poundland, and I've lost my scissors. There's my scissors. So these are the TY Babies Mini Boos. That's on the back. I've got Squirt, Ice Cube, and Skylar already. I really want Owlette. He's a little owl. So in the box, you get your collector's card thing. And then you get your little bag with your character in. Me pulling strange faces, and I got Owlette! Oh, that makes me happy. So she's got the little TY tag, and she's like a little resin figure with a little flocked face. I like the Beanie Boos. I really like the big eyes. Oh, let's go for a Itty Moj Moj. Moj Moj? I guess it's meant to be like emoji. I do not know. I'm gonna cut this. This packaging is intense. I remember when these first came out and I saw like they did like vending machine ones. So we've got like a little clamshell with a rubber band. There is so much plastic here. And the longest, oh my gosh, you get 5? Oh, you get a sticker. There's the collector card. I got 5 little squishy beans. There's like a, let's see if I can get these open. So there's a snail. I got a snail. And a bunny. I do not like the texture of these. I got a bear. There's another different bunny. Or is that a mouse? Oh, I think that might be a mouse with a squished ear. And this thing. I mean, they're cute. I'm not a huge fan of the texture. They're a lot like the like squishy mochi things that Smiggle did. That I have one here. That was from Smiggle. That glows in the dark. It's a unicorn. I'm not as keen on the texture. Next up, let's do something. Let's do a Num Noms. So this is a Num Noms Lights. I've had a few Num Noms in the past, and I think they're really cute. I love this like carton box. We've got our collector chart once more. All of these come with a collector chart. And then in here we will have our Num Nom. I didn't check like rarity or anything for these. It's cute! Ah, so they go on like rings. So it's got like a pull tab in the bottom. And then you can like slot them on the ring, I guess? Sorry, my next door neighbours always do the laundry like when I'm trying to do things, and I just accept it. Oh, it's like a brain! Okay, so it's meant to light up, but it's not doing it, which is kind of disappointing. But I'm trying to get it on this base. There we go, and then I can put that over the top, I guess. It's kind of cute. I might use it for like decor, just like big ol' Num Nom. You can join your friends. So next I'm gonna do Harry Potter. This one I just saw at Tesco. The little like cable buddies. I actually need one of these for my phone charger. I'm hoping I get the Hogwarts Express. Oh, I can already see who I got, and this is my luck with Harry Potter lucky bags. I got Hagrid. I always seem to get Hagrid in Harry Potter lucky bags, and I don't know why. I mean, I do love him. So, yeah, that's the collector card. This is really cute. It's a shame that the Hogwarts Express is rare. I'd have been very happy with Hedwig. Next up, I have a Disney Princess mystery box. This wasn't the one I wanted to get, but the shop I got these from didn't have the one I wanted. I wanted to get the comics ones. This has no Tiana in it, which is an absolute crime. So I'm just kind of hoping for anyone. I may have mentioned it before, but I'm not the biggest fan of Sleeping Beauty. But I do love a good old princess thing anyway. Oh, they're the little books. That's so cute. It's like a little book. If I can even get it out of the box without destroying everything. I think I had one of these before, so I think I already have the Tiana from this series because I feel like Has a Nap bought me it. Oh, there's the collector card. So we've got princes and their princesses. I'm really hoping I get Cinderella or Rapunzel now I've seen properly who's in it. Oh, we have a backdrop. There's our backdrop. There's our health and safety warnings. And let's see who is in the bag. I think I know who it is, and I think I'm happy. Yeah, I got Cinderella. She's really cute. And yeah, so she goes in there. They've kind of got like slightly dorky faces, but I love them. So that's the Cinderella one. That makes me happy. I just knocked over a Funko. And on the topic of Funkos, I have 2 more boxes. I'm gonna save my most optimistic for last. So I got a Frozen 2 box. I loved Frozen 2. I'm honestly not gonna be mad for any of these, other than maybe the Earth Giants. Like, they're the rarest, but it doesn't mean I like them. I'm kind of hoping maybe General Matthias would be cool. The baby reindeer would be cool. I kind of, yeah, any of them would be cool, to be honest. I know I have a couple of Frozen ones kicking around, so let's see who I get. I have opened so many of these boxes and I'm still bad every time. Oh, I got the baby reindeer. I think it's meant to be the baby one rather than Sven. If you've seen Frozen 2, it's not much of a spoiler. There's baby reindeer and they're really cute. But yeah, your wiggle reindeer. I really like that. Oh, I'm happy I got that one. Okay, my last one. This is a very crushed DC Bombshells box. I haven't had any of these ones yet. I have the other series. I'm really hoping I get Wonder Woman. There's a running joke that every time I buy a Bombshells mystery, I get Harley. So if I get Harley, I've got another Harley for the Harley collection that I got by accident. But yeah, they're really cute. We've got Wonder Woman, Supergirl, Batgirl, Harley, Hawkgirl, Catwoman, Batwoman, Mira. Oh, I missed out Ivy. Black Canary, Zatanna, and Katana. I feel like I messed up at least 2 of those names. It says exclusive on the top. I don't know where it's exclusive to. I got this at Tesco. Let's open the box. Let's hope it's Wonder Woman. Let's put the box in the bin. I swear if this is Harley, I'll cry. I don't think this series has any, like, chase ones, so... We ready? Are we ready? Oh, it's Black Canary! Oh, she's cute. Okay, I'm not mad. I love all the Bombshells, really. It's just the running joke of me always getting Harley. So she is... Oh, they're all 1 in 12. Okay. She's so cute. I'm not mad. I think I might try and get some more of these. I have a lot of the metal ones, like the metal tin ones. The figures themselves aren't metal, but they're so expensive. Yeah, hello, Black Canary. I'm not mad. The only thing I think I would swap would be my little Hagrid. I think I'd rather have someone else. But yeah, that should go very nicely onto my cable. See if I can work out how. This is fun. I've just chipped my nail varnish on this. Oh my gosh, it won't go in. There we go. Yay, my cable is now protected by Hagrid. Wow, that took off my nail varnish. So yeah, this is my little unboxing. I don't think I'm going to be able to stack all of it. But yeah, that was some mystery boxes that I got just to keep myself entertained, add to a couple of pre-existing collections, see if I got anything new that I loved, knocking things over in my bedroom. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope that was at least a little bit entertaining. and I'll see you next time.